yeah! They don't quite fit. Look at all that spaghetti in there. Uh-oh.
It doesn't work, obviously.
Poor man's Dualtron. I made 2 videos about fixing this scooter and it's still broken. Today that's gonna change. This is a Dualtron Thunder controller and it's gonna go in there. So first of all, we're gonna connect it in air to see if it actually works.
It might work, it might not work.
Might work, might not work. So this is a bomb actually.
It's safe.
Yeah, you're sure it's safe. The display is connected with the magic spaghetti right here.
It's fine, bro, trust me.
Yeah, trust me, bro. Okay. The battery wires are just taped together. Yeah, bro, this is not fine. First, we're gonna connect the phase wires and the battery wires to see if it actually spins the motor.
The phase wires are not really...
They don't quite fit.
We're gonna find a solution to that problem. Just hold them in there. Make sure they don't touch, or else I'm gonna touch you all.
Hey, what? Okay, it's on. Ignore the display. It's quite deep fried. I don't know what he did to the display. No way.
Dualtron sounds.
This is real Dualtron sounds. It's actually a Dualtron controller. Damn. Bro, it's so smooth.
Yeah, man. It's a Dualtron.
This sounds so good, bro. Look at this. So, it works. Let's put it together. Come on.
Holy sh...
Okay. In order to install this controller in there, we have to take the stock one out. Garbage. This fits perfectly in here. Oh boy, this scooter is gonna be insane.
We are gonna use some spare wire that will go in there and make it so this shit fits.
Oh man, this is not safe, bro. You might need to stick more wire in there. Never try this at home. We're just gonna stick it in there. Oh, this ain't coming out. It's coming out, bro. Nah, it doesn't stay. What we're gonna do is... This is not safe, by the way. We're gonna put it in here and we're gonna crimp the connector.
Oh my god, bro.
So what are we doing? Melt it real quick. Yeah, heat it up to 1,000,000 degrees, bro. It's melting. Oh, we kinda spilled solder on the floor. Even more solder spilled on the floor. Yeah, bro, it's fine. Not my house anyway, huh? Oh yeah, we spilled solder on the floor. This ain't safe. Yo, look at these wires.
You should touch these to get more power out of your scooter, by the way. It's
Bro,
a good life hack.
You're trying to get people to blow their scooters up, bro. They look like wires. Oh, that's a cutter.
This is not sketchy at all.
Shut up, bro. Look at this blade. Why is it so short, bro? Who made this chicken? Yeah, bro. Just cut it. Give me this shit, bro. I'm gonna crash out. Okay, the insulation is off. Now, it's time to solder them together.
You're not gonna solder them.
What?
You're just gonna do this, man.
Nah.
This is fine, man.
Ah, bruh, whatever. Just put some heat shrink on it and it's fine. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. This is perfectly safe. This is tough, bro. Yeah, I think we should test it again. Okay, it's spinning, bro.
Okay, we're gonna use the stock wiring harness for this.
This connector has 5 pins, but the mini motor's display has 6 pins. So we're gonna run an additional wire. Look at this kitty. So this is an Ethernet wire and we're gonna use it to extend the display wire. Oh yeah. Now we have a longer cable. Oh man.
Oh my days, bro, what happened here?
This looks like a bomb. Yeah, bro, your camera overheated. Yeah, we're just gonna use these wires right here.
These are jumper cables. The cables are the jump, bro.
Yeah, bro, the cables don't jump. Let's wire it up. So we're just gonna insert these in here. Is this the right wire? Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is safe. We're building a bomb. Wrap it in tape. Make sure it ain't coming up. This is the white wire here. Yeah, it's that one. Give me the lighter. So the black one from right here has to be the red one down there. This is so gonna blow up. Oh, you have a lot of tape in there actually.
The amount of tape is massive.
Massive. You know what else is massive? The low taper fade meme. Grown ass man, by the way. Hey, give me a heat shrink, bruh. If this even moves in the first place, it's gonna be a miracle. Worst thing we've done on YouTube so far.
Okay, this is the order. We did red first, then is orange.
We have to do the same process for every single wire. Oh yeah, but I'm putting Technoki to unpaid labor. Oh yeah. Alright, it's connected. Connect the battery. No way.
No way.
Uh-oh.
And it doesn't work. obviously.
Oh, that's not good. Should we check the continuity again? Try giving it gas, I'ma just mess with them. Yeah, bro, this is a throwback to the video we did of the G2 Pro. I don't understand what's going on here. Awesome! It doesn't even turn on anymore. Okay, we are putting all of this inside and see if it works. Yeah, this is gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be hella fast. Or is it gonna be fast? Yo, cameraman, what do you think?
The cargo room.
Oh yeah, cargo room. Oh my days, the spaghetti. It's perfect, bro.
This is absolute cinema, bro.
Check this out.
It doesn't turn on.
It's on.
No.
It works. Yeah, let's put the fire in the bag. Bro, this is tough. Yo, it works. Give it some gas.
It doesn't work anymore, bro.
What? No way. Whoa. Dualtron Thunder controller on a KuKirin M5 Pro. Oh my days. Look at all that spaghetti in there. Goku power, bro. Alright, bro. Mount the display on there. Yeah, just screw it in. This thing will blow up. I bet you've never seen a mini motor's KuKirin. Go plug the battery in. Okay, the display is displaying alien language. Okay, let's take it outside. Let's take it for a ride. Let's test it. Plug in the battery. Okay, power. It's actually kind of powerful. Nah, cause this sounds like a Dualtron, bro. Oh. Did it disconnect? Oh, one of the phase wires is disconnected actually. Disconnect the battery, bro. The display will blow up. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh yeah, it's flying. Oh, cruise control. The first mini motors converted KuKirin, bro. Well, I don't think it's the first, but it's cool. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's flying. The wire might be out again. Double-sided tape, bro. The controller is warm. The wires are warm. Oh, use this. Okay, it works. Okay, try it. Oh lord, he's coming. Ooh, what do you think, bruh? You never felt this comfort before. Look at this shit, man. Bro, his scooter finally moves. I like the throttle response on this controller though. Okay, cruise control is on. Look at this. Yo, look how fast it slows down. Not even pushing the brakes. Because it has 2 flat tires. Oh yeah, bro. I mean, low-key, if it didn't have flat tires, it would be actually pretty powerful. Yeah, bro, that linkage is fried. Bro, this thing is cooked, bro. So much torque, the chassis twists off the line. Oh my days. Oh yeah, bro, this is a Dualtron. Poor man's Dualtron. I actually like how this sounds. I'm riding a bomb right now. I am going unknown kilometers per hour. Bro, this display is fried. Bro, this is peak Balkan engineering, bro. When is Joy on Wheels gonna do this? 1 million volts. Okay, unplug it before it blows up. The chip is burning in the display. Nah, bro, it's still usable. What do you mean? Okay, bro, so the scooter is fixed. Perfectly sellable. Hear me out. But it doesn't matter because we got the Goku power. Look, you don't even need a key to use it. But it's got a brand new scooter right here with a Dualtron Thunder controller. Yeah, but you have 2 throttles now, double the power. This scooter is fixed. It works like a charm and it's fast.